going on? Slam Subi back at it again with Rob. Welcome back to Slam Subi Garage, where we fix things and put things on. Talking about putting things on, you see that? That's gonna be different by the end of the video. What's going on, guys? Slam Subi here with Ghost Flash 5, right? Yeah.
Bro, that's not,
Well,
it's Ghost Flash on the YouTube channel.
welcome back to welcome back to Ghost Flash's YouTube channel, where we install car parts and bike parts and boat parts and what else do we install? That's about it. Today we're doing bike parts. By bike parts, we're gonna install, I don't know the names of these things, so I'm gonna describe in the best, shut up, the best I can. Black face mask. Yeah.
Bro, blacked out windscreen.
Blacked out windscreen on his R7 because, as you can tell right now, go through the darkness. When Robert does this and it's sunny on that side, you can't see shit. TJ Hunt pointed that out. You should have clipped that and posted it. But yeah, TJ Hunt looked at Rob's channel. But as you can see, this one is not black.
Not it.
And full of shit.
And we gotta clean the bike too before, hold on.
And we put this one on, right over that bitch. You're gonna see the bird shit a whole lot more.
Bro.
What?
PG.
Oh, PG. My bad. You're gonna see the bird.
Who?
Dookie a whole lot more, and all it is a couple screws that go down on here. Take it off of that one, put this one on. Easy enough, right?
Alright, so I just got the old one off, and I figured, so the easy way to basically get it off, once you get all the hardware off, you kind of have to like push this in a little bit right in here or on either side and kind of like fish one side out, and then it just pulls straight out once you get it out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get this new one, go ahead and install it right now, and show you guys the product of it after it's done.
All right, Mo, give your commentary as we lead up to the car. Camera's pointed at you. Just get back the head.
This is a temporary daily right here. Never had a boosted car. This shit turned me into a demon, I'm not gonna lie. But check it out. Pan over the camera to this shit. Here it is. 2.3 turbo egg.
Yeah.
No, bro, I don't know what else. But that's it. You can't even see it. Oh, it ain't even worth it, bro.
What's done to it?
Shit, it's got an intake, it's got an exhaust, and that is about fucking it.
But that shit moves.
Yeah.
All you EcoBoost Mustangs, watch out.
Oh yeah, V6s, watch out. 3.5, all you DEs, I'm coming for you DEs, bro. I don't care what you drive, a G35 sedan, a coupe, or a 350Z, I'm on that ass.
And we pulled up on my first ride in it, and to his right was a VQ fucking 350. He didn't want the smoke, bruh.
Did not want it.
Mo was creeping, and he was just like staying back. He's probably going like 5 miles per hour at the stoplight. He didn't want the smoke. So all you VQ boys took an L today. By Mazda.
Shout out Dames.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is a new brake cover. Brake reservoir cover, I guess you can call it. Oh, I did not realize that it came with both brake ones. The front and the rear, the top and the bottom. I don't know what to call it. Top reservoir, lower reservoir, bottom, front, back. I don't know. Whatever. I didn't realize it came with both. Dang, these things are looking beautiful. Definitely gonna be a nice addition onto the bike, as well as the kickstand. I don't know what you're gonna call this, extension foot. I don't know, I'm giving my kickstand a shoe, I guess. Give him a little freaking sandal to wear. It looks pretty cool. That's why I bought it. Okay, I don't really know the purpose of this one. You guys can go leave your comments down below and tell me what you guys think this does. I bought it because it's like putting some new Jordans on my bike, dude. Just gonna put some new Jordans on my bike. Oi! The sucker was on there. Time to get rid of this old janky looking thing and put on the new one. You do have to loosen the screw a little bit to be able to get the cap off, just so you guys know. Well, no matter which way I put it, it always went that way, so I guess that's how it goes. So yeah, it was indeed an 8mm. So what you're gonna go ahead and do is just take it off. That way the reservoir can freely move off of this. Oi! Like so. Well, be careful not to lose that, because you kind of need that. And then now it's free of this little C-clamp for you to be able to take the cap off. Got the cap swapped, got it back on. Just got to put the nut back on and tighten it back up, and she's all done.